Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about fundamental harmonics. I've been talking about this for years and years and years, and people are still not quite understanding it. So I'm going to try a little different approach here and use some graphics to help illustrate the issues. So for purposes of this video, fundamental is going to be everything below 100 cycles. We're just going to keep it in that narrow low frequency range. So we all know what an RTA is, a real-time analyzer, okay? Or as we like to say in the shop, a resolution time analyzer, because that's really what you're doing. You're taking a picture of the resolution of the room and how it moves. So in standard RTAs, we have 32, 40, 50, 63, 80, and 100 cycles. Okay, now what we have to realize is that for every 32, there's a 63. Okay, for every 63, there's a 125. Because that's how you calculate the harmonic. You take the fundamental and you add itself to it. So 32 becomes 64. 64 becomes 125, etc., etc., etc. So you can see in this graphic here that all the fundamentals that are highlighted have an impact on the harmonics as you move up the frequency response curve. Okay? So we have to realize that the fundamentals and the harmonics are all one family. The fundamentals are the mother and the father, and then the harmonics are the children. We have to reduce the impact of the fundamentals so the harmonics can be free and won't complain so much. Okay? So we must treat the fundamentals first, because you can see in the graphic that it has such a big impact across the whole frequency range. So, and it's much easier in terms of treatment types to treat the low frequency harmonics or fundamentals in the room than it is the harmonics, and it costs less. So you always want to spend more on low frequency treatment than the harmonics, because if you run out of money, at least you got the fundamentals treated first, which lessens the impact and the problems and the amplitude issues of the harmonics. So it's a good balance. So keep all of that in mind when you're doing your room analysis and you start looking at the RTA and you start taking measurements, because first things first, we want to start with the biggest elephant in the room, and that's the fundamentals. That's that 32, 40, 50, 63, 80 cycle animal we got to try and get a lasso around and tame. And then it won't, bother the other members of the family. Fundamentals and harmonics, look at the relationship between the two. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.